Hello, so this picture shows a variable resistor. It is also called as potentiometer. So it is a one such resistor which has three pins: pin number 1, pin number 2 and pin number 3. So the connection of the middle pin, which is 2, is to the shaft. There is a shaft here which can move clockwise completely or anti-clockwise. So based on the shaft position, we can vary or change the value of this resistance. So unlike the fixed resistors which has a fixed value, this type of potentiometer or variable resistors having the variation in their resistance value. So let's understand how this value can be determined. So in symbol, this resistor can be indicated like this. So when you have pin number 1, you have pin number 3, and let's say you have pin number 2. So when you turn this shaft completely clockwise, so pin number 2 gets closer to pin number 3. So this resistor can be drawn like this. Again, you have pin number 1, you have pin number 3, and the pin number 2 goes closer to pin number 3. So the resistance between pin number 1 and 2, or pin number 1 and 3, which is one and the same thing because 3 and 2 are short, gives you a full value of this resistance. So let's say this potentiometer has a value of 10k, so you will have a complete reading of 10 kilo ohm. On the other hand, when you move this shaft in an anti-clockwise direction, so this wiper, which is pin number 2, gets closer to pin number 1 and it is shorted to pin number 1. So let me show you that. So this wiper now gets closer to pin number 1, and the resistance will be calculated between pin number 1 and 3, or pin number 2 and 3, because 1 and 2 are shorted now. So it is same as you calculate the resistance between this terminal and this terminal will be 0 ohm. Now if you keep this shaft in the center position, again you have pin number 1, you have pin number 3, and your shaft is in the middle position, the resistance then between pin number 1 and 3 that you will calculate will be calculated as 0.5 kilo ohm, which is half of, not 0.5 kilo ohm, it will be calculated as 5 kilo ohm. 5 kilo ohm, so which is half to that the original value of this resistor. So that's the operation and working of the potentiometer or the variable resistance. Hope you understand it.